Welcome back. Direct marketing in its simplest form can be executed on your website by creating an opt-in form that speaks specifically to the site visitor. And you can do that with your page building system. And for the sake of this video, we are going to use OptimizePress. However, this can be done using any page building system, whether it is currently installed on your website or in the cloud. We are going to go to this OptimizePress page creation system and create a new page. And we're going to look specifically for an opt-in or landing page. And we want one with a simple message that allows our customer to opt in to our website. And we are going to use one of the existing templates. And we are going to create a page. Again, you can use whichever page building system that you want in order to execute this strategy. And you see a very simple headline. You see a video which we can autoplay. You can also see that we have bullet points and a sub-headline. You also see that the individual can opt into our website. What we need to do in this case is to make sure that we can connect our autoresponder to this opt-in page. And so what we're going to do is go to this area and we're going to make sure that our opt-in form is connected to our autoresponder. We're going to go to the integration. We have our MailChimp connected. We are then going to choose a list inside of our MailChimp account. Now, because we've integrated MailChimp to our website, OptimizePress looks inside of our autoresponder account to find all of our available lists. We're going to choose one of those lists in order to have our opt-in happen. We're now going to insert. What we can also do is we can place a video here in the video area. We can have that video on a specific URL, or we can have it come from our YouTube account. We're going to place the YouTube video URL here in this area. We're going to choose to have it autoplay when the customer comes to our website. We're going to hide the controls and we're going to click Insert. And what we have now is a customized message with a customized video directing the individual to opt in to our list. So we have one call to action with one individual. Now for this video, we are going to publish this page. And we're going to view our public page. So our page then autoplays a video. We have stopped it for the sake of this video. And our customer can opt in to our email marketing list from the messaging that we have placed on this site. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.